Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun DIY for you guys today. It is on how to make your own colored filters for your phone. So I was looking on the internet the other day and I came across these things called color gels. And apparently they are like this clear film that you put over a light which will give off a color and it can take really cool pictures. So I'm going to be doing a DIY on how to do that on your phone with your flash. That probably doesn't make sense at all how I just described the color gel, so you can just look it up on YouTube and figure it out for yourself if you feel like it. So now let's get on how to make them, because in the end of the video I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to use them. So all you need for this DIY is some tape and some Sharpies. And yep, that's literally it. You can find these two items in the office section of your store if you don't already have them. So you're just going to start off by placing the tape over the flash part of your phone. Make sure not to cover your camera screen, and your tape must be partially clear or otherwise this will not work. So tapes like duct tape will not work. Then you're just going to color over the tape with your Sharpie. Any color will work. I am using blue, and yep, that's literally it. And you can be as creative as you want with this. You can do multiple colors. You can color half of the flash with one color and the other half with another. It's super fun to kind of experiment and play around with. So I'm going to be using my cat as an example to use the color gels. So now all you have to do is take a picture. Now I'm going to try out my other color gel.